Hey, what's up everybody? This is probably the weirdest thing I've ever bought. Don't even know why I picked it up. Anyway, I think this is like maybe an 80s, maybe a 90s era condom machine. And it takes quarters. And this is the change tray. This is a shockingly simple device. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of blown away at the simplicity of this machine. So they mount on the wall, obviously, and it's also a lot heavier than I imagined it. And it doesn't have any like handles or anything on it. So this is the front. That's what it would basically look like. And I remember these things having like maybe like a locking bar or something that would go across. I don't know. This is missing some pieces, obviously. It's missing this tray down here. And I think this is a weight that goes on top of the product to kind of weigh it down. Anyway, I've taken some little pieces of cardboard like this and I've put them in there. What's interesting is the coins go in on the top and it actually doesn't rotate all the way around. You only rotate it 180. And of course, no product came out. Let's try that again. Let's see here. There we go. And then this would have dropped out into this tray. This is not an exact replica of what's going on, obviously. But anyway, I thought it was a bizarre find, and these things just come out just like so. I'm shocked how simple this is. This is a absolutely shockingly simple design. There's no security of any sort, so this is something that I mean, there's no security features in it. So you could use anything that is remotely close to 3/4. So if you had 3 washers, that'll get the job done, I guess. And these are hanging up in there. It's old and crusty. Anyway, weird find, really weird, oddball item. Made in Mendota Heights, Minnesota. But it's heavy duty. I gotta give them credit for that. For the, in case there's some vandals, in case there's vandalism. And it really seals in that fresh lot lizard aroma for sure. Anyway, hauling home weird trash.